Quick rundown on my two home defense pistols, but I also use them as everyday carries, but these are my home defense pistols. First one gonna be the XD45 ACP, right? 45 ACP. A lot of people be like, why don't you get a 10 millimeter? Why don't you get a 10 millimeter? Bro, because I don't fucking want a 10 millimeter. I want a 45, okay? I know that they travel 800, 900 feet per second. I know that 10 millimeter travels faster. I'm trying to have this stick in whoever I hit. I'm not trying to have it penetrate and go past whoever. You feel me? I'm trying to hit whoever I'm trying to hit with this, and that's it. Heavy stopping power on these 45s. And this is for different situations. The 5.7 is high velocity, 2,000 feet per second, in case I gotta shoot through doors, through cars, you know what I mean? Farther away targets, you know what I mean? Closer targets, far away targets. 5.7, 45 ACP. It's a big bullet, it's a skinny bullet, travels fast, this travels slow.